Hello everyone and welcome to another English video with Teacher John. And today we are going to prepare for our test. And the first kind of sentence that is going to be on our test is a telling sentence. Okay, so what is a telling sentence? A telling sentence tells something. Well, okay. It begins with a capital letter. All sentences begin with a capital letter. And it ends with a period. A period is a full stop. Here's a period. Here's a period. Okay, here is a capital letter. Okay, so let's get rid of those. Let's read some telling sentences. Some animals live on farms. Here's another one. Horses live there. These sentences, these telling sentences, just tell you information. You could say, grass is green. The sky is blue. The students love English. Can you think of a telling sentence? Well, let's look at some examples from the book. Okay, these three sentences have mistakes. It wants us to say how to make each sentence correct. Tell how to make each sentence correct. So number one, the sheep are in a pen. If we look at this picture, it's very dark. You can't see it very well, but here is the pen. It is in a square shape, and the sheep are in a pen. So let's look. Do we have a capital letter? No, we don't. There is our mistake. So we can just start right there. Let me turn it to white. The sheep are in a pen. Period. Okay. Boom. We got it. Excellent. Okay, the sheep are in a pen. Number two. Pigs roll in the mud. Pigs roll in the mud. Okay, so a telling sentence. It's telling us that pigs roll in the mud. Does it have a capital letter? Yes, it does. Capital P. Does it have a period or a full stop? No, it doesn't. Alright, so let's write it on here. Pigs roll in the mud. In the mud. Mud is when you mix dirt and water. It is very messy. Pigs roll in the mud. Good, it's easy. Capital letter, period, tells something. Okay, number three. Cows eat grass. Cows eat grass, okay. Does it have a capital letter? No. Does it have a period or a full stop? No. We need to add both. Both of them. Okay, so we'll start capital C. Cows eat grass. Full stop. There you go. Okay, this is a telling sentence. These are all telling sentences. and I think it is the easiest kind of sentence. It tells something. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a period or a full stop. Grass is green. The sky is blue. The sheep are in a pen. Pigs roll in the mud. Cows eat grass. Capital letter, full stop. Capital letter, full stop. Capital letter, full stop. Okay? So that is our first kind of sentence, the telling sentence. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video.